Are you tired of this happening when versing the red Loong? Well, in this video we'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to beat the secret boss, along with a few tips to help you succeed on killing other bosses in the game Black Myth Wukong. Spells. For this fight you should use Immobilize and Stone Skin as your spell slots, as they can deliver massive damage through freezing or deflecting them, causing stun and giving you an opportunity to use combos. This will give you your most damaging hits and be able to aid you to winning the fight. Summons. In this fight you should use the Yao Guy summon, as it can deliver massive immediate damage and lingering damage with his fire, making him a valuable asset in you winning the coming fight. Environment. Once dealt enough damage, the dragon will get hard stun, leaving you to get a critical strike on its lightning eggs on its back. This will deliver massive damage and be your main way in dealing damage throughout the boss fight. Indicators. The dragon's lightning has indicators before the bolt actually occurs. Make sure you keep your distance when these indicators pop up, or you'll find yourself inside the storm. Fighting style. It is recommended you use the pillar stance, as it can do massive damage and keep your opponents at range. Spirits. Use the Wandering White Spirits to deliver enough stun damage to stun off the dragon and be able to get off a possible combo. Putting it together. If you follow all these steps, you'll be able to do just like I did and beat the Red Loong.